the best free ChatGPT alternatives. I've tested numerous AI chatbots since ChatGPT's launch, and in this video, I'll share everything you need to know to choose your next AI assistant. We'll cover each tool's best uses, pros, cons, costs, large language model, LLM, and more. Most of these tools are free and in some cases even outperform ChatGPT. I've spent weeks and months testing these AI bots, so you don't have to. Let's get started. Index. 1. Miro. 2. Claude. 3. Tascade. 4. Perplexity. 5. Notion. 6. Jasper. 7. ChatSonic. 1. Miro. Miro converts your notes, ideas, and essays into beautiful mind maps. It creates easy-to-understand visual content, like mind maps, flowcharts, graphs, and presentations, from any idea or prompt. 1. Pros. Excellent for brainstorming, flowcharts, and presentations. Thousands of free concept map templates. Revolutionizes note-taking and idea recording. Ideal for work, research, brainstorming, and study projects. 2. Cons. None found. It's an excellent visual content creation tool and a great ChatGPT alternative. Try Miro. 2. Claude. Claude excels at image interpretation and offers fast visual assistance, surpassing ChatGPT in interpreting images. 1. Pros. Supports document uploads. Chat controls with light and dark modes. 2. Cons. Unclear usage cap. Knowledge cutoff. Try Claude. 3. Tascade. Tascade is an all-in-one AI productivity app for writing, coding, mind mapping, and project management, with a value-for-money pro plan. 1. Pros. Comprehensive tool for writing and task management. Over 1,000 AI prompt templates for academic and productivity tasks. Versatile AI agents for research, coding, summarizing, tutoring, and content creation. Integrated tool for all writing and productivity needs. 2. Cons. Requires time to learn and utilize all features. Try Tascade. 4. Perplexity. Perplexity AI provides accurate, detailed answers, making it ideal for research-based queries and in-depth explanations. 1. Pros. Links to sources. Internet access. Simple UI. Provides prompt suggestions. 2. Cons. Requires a paid subscription for GPT-4 access. Some irrelevant suggestions. Try Perplexity. 5. Notion. Notion is a comprehensive productivity and task management tool with advanced AI integration. 1. Pros. All-in-one productivity tool. Competes with Google Docs and Microsoft Office. Industry leader in knowledge management and AI. Affordable with a wide range of features. 2. Cons. May have a steep learning curve. Can be overwhelming for new users. Try Notion. 6. Jasper AI. Jasper AI offers extensive tools for better writing results, including grammar and plagiarism checks and over 50 writing templates. 1. Pros. 50 different writing templates. Copy editing features. Plagiarism checker. 2. Cons. Requires a subscription. Steep cost. Try Jasper. 7. ChatSonic. ChatSonic by WriteSonic helps generate stories with tools like Instant Article Writer and Article Rewriter. 1. Pros. Inbuilt SEO tools. Integration with Google Search. Multiple templates. Creative capabilities and AI personalities. 2. Cons. Word limits. Image quality. Try ChatSonic. Conclusion. I hope you enjoyed this video about some amazing free alternatives to ChatGPT that can save you money and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching.